Okay, guys, how many markets should I trade and why? I would recommend that you trade a maximum of 9 markets and set up your chart as shown on the left, right? On the MT4 platform, that is. You can easily see all the trading setups and an opportunity to trade a market that goes according to your trading rules. However, you must only trade markets with good daily range, okay? So let's have a look now and see what this daily range and let's see what these markets are looking like. Okay, guys, now we're back on our MT4 platform, okay? And this is what we've got there. So we've got our no sure thing, we've got our stochastic RSI, and we've got our MACD, okay? Now, what we're gonna do, and of course, we couldn't take a buy trade here, even though it's at the border here, and there's a potential that it turn around. But remember, we're only gonna take trades that are going above if it's a buy, okay? Now, okay, let's have a look now and see. So you're gonna go to this, right? This sort of one, two, it shows like a little window here, okay? So this little window bit here, that's what you click on, and you'll be able to see all the trades, okay? So let's have a look at, say, Euro Jappy. Okay, so you look at all of them and you see which one, okay, there's a potential there. Okay, right. There's no other potential. But let's have a look at this one here. Okay, Euro Jappy. Okay, so we've got the Euro Jappy there. And remember, guys, remember I said we've got to refresh because if you look at this now, look, you're gonna see that crossover there. So would have missed it. So cross above the 50, cross there. Okay, so what we'll be doing there is this. We're looking to take the trade there. Okay, when it breaks, so 1, 2, yeah, would have been almost profitable there. But then we go back to this, right? Arrange window as non-overlapping, okay? Arrange windows non-overlapping, that's what we'll click on. And we'll be able to see which trade, which potential trades that we can see. Okay, look at this GBP Jappy here. Okay, right? Remember I said we've got to refresh. This is the only thing I don't like with the no short thing. Okay, there we go. We can see that crossover. We can see that crossover. But some of you might say, you know what, I'm not going to take the trade if this, right, the MACD cross below the zero line. Of course, that's fine. You don't have to. You could wait until the MACD cross above the zero mark because, that's a higher percentage win rate, okay, on that setting. But remember, we're going to be writing these rules. We're going to put them down. We're going to make sure we get it up and running and put it exactly how it should be, okay? Right, guys? So that's it. Just look at how we can arrange the windows as non-overlapping. We can look at all of them and see which market is moving. Then all you've got to do now is you find a market that's moving, for example, the Euro Jappy, then you quickly search for and remember I did say to you how we arrange the chart. So then look, so we go on to this, we find the Euro Jappy, there it is, find Euro Jappy here, yeah. Then, but remember you want when you get the trigger. Okay, now what we're looking to do here is 15-minute expiration, and then we're looking, and that's it with that. And you can see that, and you can see that together. So all you've got to do is just hold from the top here, okay, and then pull to the side, and then that will give you the option. So especially if you're using one computer, I've got a few monitors here, so that's the reason why, I am able to. So let me show you now. So for example, now you can see the trades as well to see how the trades are doing sometimes. You can go on to portfolio and then you can see what the trades are doing. Okay. You can see what the trades are doing. Right. So they're the trades. You can see what they're doing. All right. Okay. Now, hopefully you understand what we're doing here and you appreciate all the good work. God bless. Peace out. Happy trading.